Number 1. 2014 Indian Chief Vintage, $13,000. Weldon Spring, Missouri. The 2014 Indian Chief Vintage blends classic American heritage with modern touring reliability, creating a premium cruiser that feels both timeless and refined. With just 13,000 miles, this example has been extremely well cared for, showing off gleaming chrome, refreshed leather seating, and brand new American Elite tires with very light use. Everything about this bike is built around comfort and presence. From its wide touring stance to its signature Indian V-twin rumble, it delivers a smooth, powerful, and highly refined riding experience. On the road, it feels stable and confident, whether you're cruising through the city or heading out on long-distance highways. Mechanically, it's reported to be in excellent condition with no issues, making it a turnkey option for riders who want both style and reliability. This Chief Vintage stands out as a high-end cruiser that balances classic design with modern usability. Number 2. 2018 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail, $10,000. Oath, Kansas. This 2018 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail brings modern performance into a classic cruiser silhouette. Powered by the Milwaukee 8 engine, it delivers smooth torque and dependable highway performance, making it a strong, all-around touring bike. With 16,400 miles, it remains mostly stock, which gives the next owner plenty of room for customization. One of its most practical features is the removable saddlebags, allowing it to switch between full touring setup and stripped-down cruiser style in seconds. IT also comes equipped with LED lighting, a heel-toe shifter, and a comfortable rider backrest, all designed to improve long-ride comfort and usability. Overall, this Softail is a balanced combination of heritage styling and everyday rideability, making it ideal for both casual cruising and longer road trips. Number 3. 2016 Victory Highball, $5,000, Wellman, Iowa. The 2016 Victory Highball stands out immediately with its aggressive bobber, styling, and minimalist design. Powered by a 106 cubic inch Freedom V-twin engine, it delivers strong torque and responsive acceleration that makes it fun both in the city and on the highway. With around 16,000 miles, this bike has been well maintained and continues to offer reliable performance. The ape-hanger handlebars, blacked-out styling, and stripped-down look give it a bold, custom-inspired appearance straight from the factory, but it's paired with a smooth 6-speed transmission, making it easy to ride while still feeling powerful and engaging. For riders looking for something different from the usual Harley lineup, the Highball delivers strong personality, solid performance, and excellent value at this price point. Number 4. 2012 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic for $1,586. Eden Prairie, Minnesota. The 2012 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic is a dependable mid-size cruiser that focuses on comfort, smooth performance, and everyday usability. With just under 24,000 miles, this example has been fully serviced and is ready to ride immediately. Its clean white finish gives it a timeless cruiser look, while the ergonomics are designed for relaxed, long-distance comfort. The Vulcan 900 is known for its smooth throttle response and easy handling, making it a great choice for newer riders as well as experienced cruisers that on the road, it feels light, predictable, and stable, especially during longer rides. It doesn't try to be extreme. It focuses on reliability and comfort. This is a practical, affordable cruiser that delivers consistent performance without unnecessary complexity. Number 5. 2015 Indian Chief Vintage, $14,000, Raymore, Missouri. This 2015 Indian Chief Vintage comes in a stunning willow green and ivory finish, giving it a premium, classic American cruiser identity. With 18,345 miles, it has been meticulously maintained and always garage-kept, reflecting careful ownership. The design is enhanced with leather trim and elegant vintage styling, making it stand out wherever it goes. It also features a Stage 1 upgrade and true dual fishtail exhaust, delivering both improved performance and a deep, powerful exhaust note. Practical upgrades include quick-detach components and a new windshield, allowing it to adapt easily between touring and city riding setups. This bike perfectly combines luxury, sound, and presence, making it a high-end cruiser with strong personality and road appeal. Number 6. 2020 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail, $12,991. Rowlett, Texas. The 2020 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail represents one of the most balanced modern cruisers in Harley's lineup. With under 13,000 miles, it remains in strong condition and benefits from the refined Milwaukee 8-engine platform. IT offers smooth power delivery, strong highway stability, and comfortable ergonomics designed for long-distance riding. The detachable windshield adds flexibility, allowing riders to switch between touring comfort and open cruiser style. Its classic Harley design language remains intact, but underneath it delivers modern reliability and performance. This is a ready-to-ride machine that works equally well for daily cruising or extended road trips, combining tradition with modern engineering. Number 7. 2013 Honda CB 100, $3,500. Rockford, Illinois. The 2013 Honda CB 100 brings a retro-inspired design with modern Honda reliability. With only 6,150 miles, this low-mile example is clean, simple, and easy to maintain. Powered by a smooth inline-4 engine, it delivers a relaxed and refined riding experience. While it may need minor servicing, the core mechanics are solid and functional. Its styling captures that classic Japanese roadster feel, making it appealing to riders who want vintage looks without the maintenance issues of older bikes. This is a practical, lightweight motorcycle that blends nostalgia with everyday usability. Number 8. 2018 Triumph Rocket 3 Roadster, $9,995. Ozark, Missouri. The 2018 Triumph Rocket 3 Roadster is all about extreme performance and presence. Powered by a massive 2.3-liter inline-3 engine, it produces enormous torque and delivers one of the most powerful cruiser experiences ever built. With just 7,300 miles, it remains in excellent condition and feels incredibly strong on the road. Acceleration is immediate, and the low-end torque is unmatched in its class. Despite its size and power, it still offers smooth handling thanks to quality suspension and shaft drive setup. This is not a beginner bike. It's built for experienced riders who want raw power and a commanding road presence. Number 9. 2017 Euro Patrol, $11,500. Louisville, Texas. The 2017 Euro Patrol is a completely different type of motorcycle, featuring a factory sidecar and rugged off-road capability. With only 2,311 miles, this example is extremely low mileage and well preserved. It comes with 2 WD capability, reverse gear, and a driven sidecar wheel, making it highly functional for both road and off-road use. Its design focuses on utility, exploration, and versatility rather than speed. It's built for adventure and stands out instantly wherever it goes. This is one of the most unique motorcycles on the market, perfect for riders who want something truly unconventional. Number 10. 2015 Harley-Davidson Street Glide, $14,000. Reed Spring, Missouri. The 2015 Harley-Davidson Street Glide is a premium touring motorcycle designed for long-distance comfort and strong highway performance. With 15,000 miles and a 103 cubic inch twin-cam engine, it remains in excellent condition. It features multiple upgrades including Screamin' Eagle intake, Vance & Hines exhaust, custom handlebars, upgraded audio system, and heated grips on the road. It delivers smooth power, excellent stability, and a full touring experience built for long journeys. This Street Glide is a fully equipped touring machine, combining comfort, performance, and customization in one package. Number 11. 2012 Moto Guzzi V7 Classic, $3,200. Galena, Illinois. The 2012 Moto Guzzi V7 Classic delivers timeless Italian styling combined with a distinctive air-cooled V-twin character that immediately sets it apart from modern motorcycles. Finished in a deep burgundy color, it carries a strong vintage roadster aesthetic while still benefiting from several thoughtful upgrades. It features upgraded suspension, a MOSFET regulator for improved electrical reliability, and a reflashed ECU tune for smoother performance delivery. with low mileage on its tires and a generally well-maintained condition. This bike is ready for regular riding. It also includes a rear trunk for added practicality, making it more versatile than a typical classic-style motorcycle on the road. It feels unique, slightly old-school in character, but stable and enjoyable once warmed up. It's not about raw speed, but about riding experience and personality. This Moto Guzzi is ideal for riders who want something different, mechanical, and full of character. Number 12. 2017 Royal Enfield Bullet 500, $3,499, Frisco, Texas. The 2017 Royal Enfield Bullet 500 captures the pure essence of old-school motorcycling with its iconic silhouette and unmistakable single-cylinder thump. Finished in military green, it has a strong vintage military-inspired presence that makes it instantly recognizable on the road. With 8,500 miles, it remains in solid condition and offers modern reliability wrapped in a classic design that has changed very little over decades. It is built for relaxed cruising rather than speed or aggressive riding on the road. It delivers a simple, mechanical feel that many modern bikes no longer provide. It's smooth at lower speeds and ideal for calm, enjoyable rides. This Bullet 500 is perfect for riders who value character, heritage, and a pure motorcycling experience over performance numbers. Number 13. 2012 Honda Sabre 1,300 cubic centimeters, $5,900, Clarksville, Tennessee. This 2012 Honda Sabre 1300 is a powerful cruiser that blends aggressive styling with Honda's well-known reliability. With only 8,200 miles, it remains in excellent condition and clearly has been well cared for. The aftermarket chrome exhaust gives it a deep, throaty sound that adds strong presence on the road performance-wise. It delivers smooth but strong acceleration, making it suitable for both relaxed cruising and more spirited highway riding. It feels stable at speed and comfortable over long distances. The design leans toward a muscular cruiser look, giving it a bold road presence that stands out in traffic. This Sabre is a great option for riders who want performance, reliability, and classic-inspired cruiser styling in one package. Number 14. 2010 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide, $8,000, Adel, Iowa. The 2010 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide is a true long-distance touring machine built for comfort, stability, and endurance. With 29,000 miles, it has proven its reliability while still offering plenty of life for future road trips. Its classic burgundy finish fits perfectly into Harley's traditional touring lineup. Built for the open road, it delivers a smooth and stable ride, especially at highway speeds. The large touring fairing and seating comfort make it ideal for cross-state travel or extended highway journeys. The V-twin engine provides that signature Harley rumble, adding character to every mile. This Electra Glide is designed for riders who prioritize comfort, distance capability, and classic touring style. Number 15. 2019 Royal Enfield Interceptor 650, $2,199, Rogers, Arkansas. The 2019 Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 offers one of the best value entries into the modern classic motorcycle category. Powered by a smooth parallel twin engine, it delivers balanced performance with approachable power that suits both new riders and experienced enthusiasts. Its lightweight feel and retro-inspired design make it especially enjoyable for city riding and relaxed weekend cruising. It feels simple, friendly, and easy to control. This particular example does note a potential starter repair or rebuild needed soon, but it still runs and provides a strong base for either daily riding or a light project build. At its price point, it stands out as an affordable way to enter the modern classic motorcycle world without sacrificing style or capability.